Welcome back. Let's build our first web server with Express.js. Okay. Few videos back we have done with a Node.js. Now we are going to do with the Express.js framework. It's very simple than doing with directly HTTP module. Okay, just follow the syntax and just do practice along with me. Then it will be easy. So if you see already we have installed. Okay, we have created a package and we installed express.js as a dependency, and we have created index.js file in the last video. Now we can go and start building our first web server with express.js. It's very simple, but you should habituate to that syntax. Then it's going to be very easy for us. So let's import constant express and that module. Okay, you require and just mention our module name like express. So here we have one extra step to create an server, or normally people prefer to call it as an app. Here, so normally with the Node.js HTTP dot create server, right? Here it's much more simpler. Just express. Okay, here we are getting a function. Just invoke that function. Okay, once you invoke the function, it will return an object with a lot of methods and properties. That is the app. Okay, our application. That's it. We have the second step is also done. So now we should make our application up and running, right? App should be listen to the ready to listen from the request by the clients. So here we should mention the port number again and just provide the callback function. Okay, or we can do one thing, we can store this port number, okay, into a variable. Then it's better, we can use anywhere we want. So I'm just modifying a little bit the port number, and here I'm just doing console.log. Okay, if you have a confusion, just go the small letters. Maybe why home, just go in a capital letter. Nothing wrong. You just go with the small letters as well. And here you can mention, like, just use a backticks, okay, template literals, so that it's going to be easy to embed any variables into that string. So fine, here um, app is up and running at, you can say that, http colon localhost http colon localhost, and here we should mention the port number. So just put a dollar and curly braces and just do string interpolation with this one. So our application is up and running at http localhost and 3000. You can give any other port number like 8080 or something, but just make it simple, just go with the 3000. Okay. Fine, our application is ready, and here we need to do one more thing. That is, we should build our routes, right? So first of all, we should understand one important thing before jumping. This is the CRUD operations. Normally, whenever we build REST APIs, we are going to do these CRUD operations. So if you want to get some information from the server, at the time we use HTTP get method, and if you want to create anything at the time, we will go and use the post HTTP method. If you want to update, we can use put. For delete, we can go with delete. So this is a CRUD operation. So here, so CRUD, and the C for creation, that time we will use a post method. For read, where we'll use a get method. Update, we can use like a put method. For delete, we can use a delete method. Okay, slowly we will enter into these topics. Okay, of course this is very important. Okay, you see the equivalent, like read, we will use a get method. For creation, post method. So here express.js is providing all these things in a beautiful way. So if you see, this is the app. Here, if you want to build a route by using a get method, just simply go and use app.get, and you can follow some next things, but it is just providing a simple method. Okay, get and post also it has a method, and add dot put also it is just providing the method. So it's very simplified than HTTP module, and even if you delete it is just providing the method and just implement that route, okay, properly. So for now, just we are just in the beginning. we, like this is just the first video. In Express.js, actually, we are building a simple web server so that we can go with the get method. So here, okay, how to mention that route? Simply, it's a simple the home route. So and just pass the callback function. So whenever it is just giving a request to this server with the get method at the time, it will check this the path. Okay, if the path is just a forward slash or like nothing after the the domain name, so it will hit this one. So here we have a request and response objects. Okay, very soon we are going to take help of all these things in a beautiful way. So here, once you got the request, once the request came to the server, it should respond, right? This response dot send, it's much more simpler than normal HTTP module. In the HTTP module, what we have written, response.write and then response.end. Okay, here we don't need to put like end or something. Okay, it will handle by Express.js. Just response.send. So just practice these the new methods. Okay, the send, and you can send just a message like welcome to Express.js server for like formats friend. Okay, just giving like FF, that means formats friend. So we are building application for formats friend. Simple. So let's see. Let's run this application and check whether it is working or not. Okay. So now this is same. Okay. Right now we are using the index file, right? So just go and run index.js file, or you can even without mentioning also it will consider it's a JS file. So app is up and running at localhost 3000. Just click on that URL. Oh, you see, we got the response. Welcome to Express.js server for formats friend. Yes, we have done. We have created our first web server. I think maybe already we have done a first server with the HTTP model, right? You can call it as a second simple web server with Express.js. Okay. Hope you are ready to do a practice. Please do practice. Please do practice along with me, so that within next few videos you are going to enjoy building REST APIs. You will learn all these things. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video with another route. Okay, thank you.